Hey, what's up guys, Abrams Tech here, back again with a new video. So in this video, I'm going to be unboxing Beats Flex. So let's get started with the video. You also get a USB-C to USB-C cable for charging, and it says that 10 minutes of charge gives you 1.2 hours of listening, which I think is really good. You also get 3 sizes in ear tips: small, medium, and large. And here are the actual Beats. I personally think these headphones looks fine, and one of my favorite features about these is when you turn them on, it only works with iPhone and iPad. When you turn them on, it shows this thing, which I think is really cool, and it shows the battery percentage and it allows you to connect to it. Now they also have a feature called autoplay and pause, where if you take the headphones off and they stick together, because this is magnetic, and if it stick together, the music will stop or whatever you're playing, and if you take it off, it will start again. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and if you'd like me to review these, don't forget to like this video, and I'll catch you guys very soon in the next one. Peace.